Hey y'all, it's Quanna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you this new hair I got from LuvMe. I love their packaging. It's so cute with the purple and a little ribbon. But yeah, I'm gonna take you to the full unboxing. So this is the wig straight out of the box. It already was looking so nice. It comes pre-parted. I'll show you more details on that in a minute. It also came with these cute little LuvMe clips, which I was so excited about because I love those clips. Little bag, this cute little rat tail comb, and an edge control brush. And I also love the wig caps that they give because they really are HD. And I feel like if I was going to do a bald cap method, this would be a great one to do it with. But I'm not doing that today. So anyways, this is the wig. I got this wig in 16 inches in the color natural black. It already comes parted, and you can see that it just has like this small sliver of parting space, and then it has lace across the front. It comes with 2 clips in the sides and then one in the back, and then it also comes with this adjustable strap. I love that this adjustable strap was already sewn in because I hate when they like slide out of the sides. So yeah, it's already sewn in, and that's perfect. The wig is also curled when you receive it, and it's layered. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig cap, and I'm just pushing it back. I'm not gonna glue it down or anything, and I've already pushed my edges back and smoothed them out with just Scotch-B glued gel. So I'm placing the wig on, and automatically she was looking so good. I love that this hairline was not like thick. I didn't feel the need to pluck it or do anything to it. Like literally I just plopped this on my head and it was already looking so nice, and the curls were so bouncy. Like I loved it. So yeah, the next step obviously is going to be to take the lace off. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to start off by just clipping the hair back so that I can try to avoid cutting off any of the hair. And then I'm using just an eyebrow razor, and you have to be really careful with these because it's very easy to like mess up and cut too much hair off, and I'm pretty sure I did that at some point. But yeah, I'm just going to start from the middle and then cut the sides down. So yeah, here I think is where I cut off a little bit too much and some of the hair got off, but it was still fine. So yeah, you're going to take that, you're going to keep doing that until you get all of the lace off. Again, being extra careful, and I try to not make it in like a straight line, which really helps to use the razor for that purpose. And then I am taking my makeup brush that I used to do my makeup for the day. This is the brush that I used to do my bronzer, and I'm not adding any product. I'm just going to take that and tap it onto the lace so that I can make sure that that matches my skin a little bit better. And yeah, again, not adding any product, just tapping that on. And now, not that this wig really needs a whole lot, but I'm just taking my hot tools. I have a hot comb and then my nano titanium straightener, and I'm going to heat those up while I do this lace. So all that I'm doing to this lace is adding a little bit of a mousse to the edges, and then I'm just going to tie that down with a lace band. So yeah, no glue, just the mousse to help it kind of lay extra flat to my head. And then while I'm letting that set, I'm gonna just play with these curls a little bit. I typically like for my curls to go away from my face, so I'm just gonna take a few large chunks and just flip them in opposite directions so that it looks a little bit more how I would normally style my hair. And this hair was so easy to curl too. Like it already had these super nice curls, and it was already cut into layers, so it just laid really nicely without putting in a whole lot of work. I think I literally took like 2 pieces on that side and fixed them, and then I'm just playing with this other side to see how I want it to lay. On this side, I felt like there was like one little part that was a little bit flat looking, so I am taking like 2 sections here and just curling those away from my face as well. But I love that this wig kind of had like a bang because of the layers, so it just naturally fell really nicely and like framed my face really well. I have a really round face, so I loved that for this. Here I'm taking the lace band off, and I was literally shook at how flat this looked. Like it literally looked perfect, and I have had to do so much more work on other wigs with glue to get them to like look like they're coming out of my scalp, and this one literally took 2 seconds. Like I was very impressed. So from there, the wig really is ready to go. I could have been done, like stopped there, but I wanted to continue to just style it a little bit more, so I'm just adding a few big curls in, and then yeah, that's pretty much the finished look. This hair is incredible. I love it so much. I actually felt so adult with this hair. I was like, wow, look at me looking like somebody's mama or something. Like, it's so cute. So yeah, all the details about this wig will be in the description. I'll have the link there as well. And if y'all have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching.